Hey, how are you doing? Oh, I'm doing good. How about you? Oh, I'm doing good too. Would you like to kiss me? I'm hungry. For food.
Achoo! Achoo!
Ah! Is that you, Friggy? Are you sick?
I can help you with that.
Recycle Man.
Aha. You can conserve energy with your refrigerator by following these simple steps. Number 1. Make sure your refrigerator is the proper distance away from the wall behind it, allowing air to circulate and cool the coils.
Oh.
Number 2. Make sure the doors of your refrigerator seal properly, keeping warm air from seeping in.
Yeah.
Number 3. Check your owner's manual to make sure that your refrigerator is running at the proper temperature level.
I like it.
And finally, make sure your freezer is properly stocked so there's less area to cool, therefore saving energy.
Like cats up? Cats up?
The Recycle Man Show is by no means suggesting that you should put felines or any other living creature in your freezer or refrigerator. That would be harmful to animals. However, if you'd like to put ketchup in your freezer or refrigerator, that would be just fine. Well, maybe not the freezer. That might be weird. Now back to our show.
Here, take these recycle shades for being such a good citizen.
Thank you so much, Recycle Man. Thank you.
Achoo!